race brought you into this world. You were the fastest. Any slower and you wouldn't have been born. If one day you ever stop racing, you'll be out. Your whole life is a race. Competitiveness is chasing a dream that, once achieved, unlocks even greater ones. It's a weight if it hinders you. It's a strength if it pushes you further. You compete against your rival, against time, against your past, against the laws of physics, against that version of yourself from yesterday. Everyone competes. Those who know what they have to do to win, and those who don't even know they're competing, but refuse to lose.